Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into a gadget that promises to transform the way you share your screens, the biaze wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. If you've ever struggled with messy cables or wished you could mirror your laptop, PC, or even your phone to a bigger display without the hassle, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. At first glance, this device is sleek and minimalistic. The transmitter connects via USB-C, while the receiver plugs into any standard HDMI port. What's immediately appealing is its true plug-and-play functionality. No drivers, no Wi-Fi setup, just connect, power it up, and you're ready to go. The simplicity here is perfect for both home entertainment setups and office presentations, where you don't have time to fiddle with complicated installations. Performance-wise, the biaze wireless HDMI kit is engineered to deliver up to 1080p resolution at 60 Hz. That's smooth, high-definition video whether you're watching movies, streaming content, or giving a presentation. It operates on both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz frequencies, and the 4-antenna design ensures a stable, lag-free connection. The advertised range is up to 165 feet, though walls and obstacles may reduce this distance. Still, for most living rooms, conference rooms, or classrooms, this is more than enough to enjoy wireless freedom. One of the standout features is its dual-mode capability. You can use mirror mode to duplicate your screen or extend mode to create a secondary workspace. This makes it versatile for multitasking, especially for professionals who need to monitor multiple screens or gamers who want to extend gameplay to a TV or monitor. Compatibility is another key point. The biaze transmitter and receiver work with a wide array of devices, including PCs, laptops, cameras, set-top boxes, and even phones or tablets. That means you're not limited to one type of device, giving you flexibility for various setups at home or at work. Inside the box, you get both the transmitter and receiver along with 2 power cords. There's no need for additional accessories, which keeps things straightforward. The device itself is lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport if you need a mobile solution for presentations or events. Overall, the biaze wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is a solid, hassle-free way to wirelessly transmit video and audio from multiple devices to your monitor or TV. It's especially appealing for anyone who wants high-definition performance without the clutter of cables. And its dual-mode feature adds a layer of productivity that many similar devices lack. While it's not 4K, its 1080p at 60 Hz performance is more than sufficient for most users. If you're looking for a reliable, plug-and-play wireless HDMI solution, the biaze kit is definitely worth checking out. That wraps up today's product critique. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews. See you next time.